when it begins, and it should last until almost sunset, maybe a few leftover sprinkles after that. High-powered Doppler Radar, there's a little bit of activity. It's all well to the south. This is where the more meaningful rains are located. That's I-40, so nothing to worry about in our neck of the woods. A couple of sprinkles just west of Salina. It's more cloud cover than anything else. Those are not the rains that I was tracking, though. I'm going to show you the timeline on that coming up in just a minute. First of all, let's get a look at wind speeds, and once again, becoming a little blustery this afternoon. 23-mile-an-hour gusts in Kansas City, and we have double-digit winds at almost every stop along the way. That's breezy when you're talking about temperatures in the upper 50s. It's exactly where Kansas City is now, even cooler to the north. Temperatures never did recover in northern Missouri. Maryville at 51, Bethany at chilly 52 at this hour. 58 is the official reading. Skies are technically partly cloudy, but it's kind of a thin overcast. It's almost equally distributed, but it's not thick enough to really call it cloudy skies. We're down about 3 degrees at 7, 49 at 9, and 45 at 11 o'clock. And tonight it gets really cold. By morning, that low temperature dips to 35 degrees. There will be areas of frost. Again, this will be the coldest morning we've had all week, so cover up the plants, bring the pots indoors. Even if you haven't done that yet, tonight's the night you probably want to get that done. Frost advisories, that includes not just Kansas City, but areas as far south as Garnett, Lacine, Butler, and Clinton. It's covering everybody. And now a little wedge of northwest Missouri under a freeze warning where temperatures will be dipping down well below the 32-degree mark. Well, bike trail time. What a beautiful time of the year to start getting in shape. Now, I know it's cold in the morning, 53 though at noontime, and upper 50s at about 4 o'clock. Royals play in the evening, and guess what? It's going to be cool again, so jackets, everyone, if you're heading out to the K. This time, the Toronto Blue Jays are in town. Wind straight out of the north, but at less than 10 miles per hour. A cool evening and dry skies. Again, live-powered Doppler Radar. This is the system that I'm tracking. You can see I put a long loop on this so you can actually see the spinning nature of this. That low is beginning to come together a little bit as that storm organizes. It'll push out onto the plains, initially sending a couple of waves of light rain our way. In fact, it's all just light rain. You'll never hear a rumble of thunder out of this one. By about 2 in the afternoon is when we'll see more of a steady rain. That lasts all the way until 11 o'clock. So it looks like the rains will fall a little after sunset now, and then do you see that? That's next week, early in the day on Tuesday, a possible, I'm not throwing a guarantee on this by any means, but there's a chance that a little bit of light wintry precipitation could fall. Yes, you heard it, wintry precipitation, maybe. Not much rain coming out of this. And again, if we do see a wintry mix on Tuesday, it doesn't amount to much. I think everything that hits the ground melts. But look at this, cool weather. I'm going to step out of the way. You see a 60 anywhere? I don't, and mid to upper 60s would be more normal. So we're well shy of that, and even low temperatures. There's a chill in the air every morning. So Carolyn, as much as we want to see springtime come, it looks like it's taking its own sweet time getting here.
Yeah, no doubt. And now the chance of snow. How about that? Thank you, Gary.
Okay.
That's going to be an interesting week.